Millennium Park on the Harris Theater rooftop, right behind the Pritzker Pavilion. And this is a woodland planting we installed in 2019 in the fall in October. So it's the first season. And look how full it is already, very exciting. And as you can see, I put in sweeps of spring blooming bulbs, which is the first layer to come up, and then next will be the perennial and carex layer and grasses. So you can see here I used Narcissus thalia and Muscari armenicum and Muscari Ocean Magic, which has the whiter tops on the top, which pair really well and echo the color of the Narcissus thalia. Using the bulbs in large drifts like this to make it look more natural, that nature planted this and not done by hand. So when I put them out this last fall, I broadcasted the daffodils and all of the bulbs to make it look more natural and kind of let them land where they may, and it creates this beautiful sweeps and makes your eye follow throughout the whole design. And the blankets of Muscari really make the Narcissus pop out above that beautiful blue. And if you could be here right now, you would smell the heaven sweet scent of Narcissus thalia. And over here we have the Narcissus paired with a Stilby purple candles, and when it emerges, it has beautiful bronze foliage. So it's a great to always think about what you're pairing your bulbs with, as the emerging foliage can really help accent your bulbs. And also the bulb foliage is something that you want to hide, because of the Narcissus are going to start yellowing after they bloom to create the energy for the next year. And the Astilbe are a great plant to cover up that foliage once they get to full size. As if it was planted over here with the geranium, Bevan's variety, that foliage would stick above and we would have to have that extra maintenance to come back and remove that foliage. So we're trying to reduce maintenance and input in the garden and let it work its magic.